Hi everyone and welcome to Cooking with Mira. I'm Rob and today we're going to make some quiche cakes for Mother's Day. What do you think about that, Mira? Well, no, maybe something at the end. Alright, let's get started. Okay, first step with the quiche cakes is we're going to gather up our ingredients. You can see it's mostly going to be eggs, and we're throwing it into our muffin pan here. I'm going to preheat the oven real quick. We're going to bring that up to 400 degrees. Yes, Mira? Well, no, I mean it's in a muffin because, well, I mean I know that, but I just thought it was more a funner name. Listen, okay, so you're going to preheat the oven and then we're going to spray these down and we'll be back in just a second. You know, Mira, I think I gotta focus. Can you narrate this part for me? So we're putting some onion and some pepperonis into our quiche cakes. What do you think you would put into a recipe for Mommy, Mira? What do you think you would put into some quiches for Mommy? Okay. Yum. What? No. What? Ew. Get out of here. Just gonna get regular old eggs. The recommendation I got was, I think, 3 eggs per mini quiche cake. So that's what we're gonna do. We got 6 of them here. So that's gonna be, Mira, do the math for me real quick. Yeah. I don't know if that sounds right, but you don't even have thumbs. Who am I kidding? Yuck. And then toss it inside. We'll do bottom, so it heats a little bit more evenly. Stick it in there. How long should we put it in for, Mira? Good idea. Ooh, little girl, it's ready. You want to pull them out? See how they look? Our mini quiche cakes. Grab some hot mix. Oh dear. These might not be what I would consider mini quiche cakes, but they do look pretty good. So what do you think, Mira? Did we do a good job? I think we did okay. They're a little bit not so mini, but they're still quiche cakes, right? Yeah, I know. It's just a good name. I thought it was more fun. Yeah. We'll say bye-bye to everybody, and if you have a healthy recipe that you want to have me and Mira try out, leave it for me in the comments or shoot me an email and we'll try it out. Bye! Bye!